Hi everyone, today I am going to prepare Guava Curry, Rajastani style. This is special dish for me. Now what are the ingredients will be need for this dish? Just I tell you. So raw guava fruit 3 numbers, coriander leaves chopped, tomatoes 4 numbers sliced, ginger 1 pinch, green chilies 4 numbers, turmeric powder, chili powder as required, garam masala 1 tablespoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, curd 1 cup, hing asafoetida powder 1 pinch, salt as required. Now you just see this video how to cut this guava fruit. You have guava fruits means just removed large seeds is there means is very small seeds is there means not an issue, no problem, but you should remove seeds very well like this. Okay, so you can chop or slice or cut whatever it is, no rules need. Now take one jar, add sliced tomatoes, add green chili and ginger with water, make the paste well, yeah, like this. Okay, paste is ready now. Now take one kadai, pour the oil, just allow to heat, add the cumin seeds, just 20 seconds. Next add the turmeric powder, just mix it well. Add the coriander powder, add the asafoetida, hang 1 pinch, just mix it well like this. Then add the coriander leaves chopped, just pinch of measurements. Okay, don't add too much of coriander leaves, then taste will change. Now add the paste, yeah, then just mix it well 2 to 3 minutes, yeah, allow to cook for 4 minutes. Yeah, bubbles is coming. So if you want water extra, you just add it. Yeah, I added just half cup of water, it's enough. You should make the paste is very soft. Okay, tomato paste. Now add the half teaspoon of pepper powder, just mix it well. Then add the chili powder as required. Stir continuously. Bubbles is also coming. Just mix it well like this. Now add the garam masala. Next add the 1 cup of curd. Just mix it well for continuously 3 to 4 minutes. After that, add the salt as required. Just check the seasoning. Just mix it well. If you want more spicy, just add. Otherwise, no need. Now add the guava fruit, raw guava fruit. Okay. Raw guava fruit added. Now just mix it. Allow to cook just 6 to 7 minutes. It's enough to cook. Yeah. Now raw guava curry is ready now. So finally, just add the coriander leaves chopped. Just mix it well. Switch up the stove. Rajasthan style raw guava fruit curry ready. Gravy is ready. If you want cashew nut, dry grapes means just add it. Otherwise, no need. This gravy is ready now. Different taste of fruits. Yeah, it's very amazing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for once again. Our channel still not subscribed means just subscribe my channel. Thanks once again.